Sonny Boy got a big package in the mail today. Look at that. All this stuff. He flew over here. He wants to see what it all is. What did you get? It's like Christmas. Oh, yeah. Look at that. It'll be fun to play with. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh, even the box is fun, huh? Look at that. Oh, look at this game that you can... Yeah. You can forage in there and try to pull things out. Yeah, how about that? Oh, yes. This is the one. Oh, this is fun. Figure out how to get it out of there, huh? Yeah, this is a Smart Bird toy. Yes. Oh, that'll take hours for you. What's this over here? Oh, my goodness. Oh, this is your new perch. Made of nice, natural wood. Look at that. Whoa! It's overwhelming, huh? Look at this, another forage toy.
My lord.
Yes.
Not too spoiled.
I know. You have to turn these things to get food out. The Sonny Boy likes his package of paper towels better than this stuff. Huh? Do you want to come over here? I'm sorry. I scared you, I think. Are you ready? Step up. Step up. That's a good boy. There you go. Now take a look at all this stuff. Woo hoo hoo. What's that? Oh, here's something too. I think you really like this one though. Relentless part terrier. I think you're part terrier. Yeah, that's the one. I think you're gonna love that toy. Oh, yeah. How do I get that out? How do I get that out? All right. Look at you. It's Christmas time. Woohoo! I don't think you'll be getting Christmas. This is Christmas early for you, huh? Yeah. What a good boy. What a good boy. Yum, yum. Get it out. Kill it, kill it, kill it. Destroy. Arr.